All right, happy Thursday. Anthony Special here with Special Analysis, live and unedited on the edge of the market. Hope you are doing well, having a great week. We are going to revisit a trade idea that we discussed earlier this week because it has transpired fairly quickly. Guys, these little base hits can add up. Even though they don't add up to huge returns, listen, we're going to take little stop outs along the way. So if we're taking stop outs with 4, 5, 6, 8% losses, listen, we still need to have those 4, 5, 6, 8% winners to kind of clean the slate per se. Because when the big hit comes along, when we make 50% or 40% or 30% or whatever, now we're talking about just straight profit right into the account. These little base hits, again, they're helpful for offsetting little losses. Nothing wrong with it. But let's take a look and see how it transpired. So earlier this week, we discussed Ford Motor Car Corporation. And our thought process was to buy Ford. And this is what it looked like. Our entry was right in around this area here, about 1550-ish. I placed the buy line. This is Friday's price activity. This is Monday. This is Tuesday. This is this morning. This is Wednesday. So obviously today's Wednesday. I'm shooting the video Wednesday. This will be presented to you first thing Thursday morning when it goes out. But I want to show you what this looks like. I want to revisit it real quick. So weekly confirmation. Here is our support channel. Here's the close of our Friday candle. We have about 2.76% roughly. So that is our confirmation. That means that the price is likely to continue in the direction of which it has confirmed. I'm happy about that. Draw the line. This is where we want to buy. We don't want to buy higher. We don't want to chase the price below in case it gaps down. We just want to place an order. We want to buy it here. We want to place a stop under the most recent swing low. This is if the trade goes wrong, we need to protect our capital. And then we want to place a conservative target with the 1% buffer off of our next closest resistance area. So this blue channel line is our resistance area. We come to the channel line and we want to bring down about 1%. Why do we do this? That 1% buffer gives us a higher rate of success of getting the order filled when price attempts to test resistance. So understanding that the price is not always going to run exactly to resistance. We need to give it a buffer. We need to give it a bumper, if you would. So the idea with that becomes, now that we just back it off a hair, just enough. So when this transpires, price pushes up high and then gets hits resistance, that stack of sell orders, and it gets pushed right back down. We got filled. If we were waiting to test this channel, we didn't get filled. We'd still be in this trade, but we're out, and we're out with profit. So we bought it here. We sold it there. Little 6.25, 6.35, 6.33% roughly profit in 3 trading days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Not so bad. Guys, listen, the idea again is this. If we are taking little losses, because that's always going to happen. We're always going to have setups that knock us out. We don't want to take setups with more than 10% worth of risk. So ideally, if we do have a 6% loss somewhere, or 5% or 4% or something like that, these little wins knock those out. We keep the slate clean, so when the big trade comes along, and I'm going to talk about a big trade for tomorrow's video, we are just in it to win it, and it's just pure profit in our account. So I want to show you this as it broke down. 3 days, 6+% return on investment, not so bad, simple to identify, easy to set up, place a buy order, place a target, place a stop, step away from the computer, let it happen, and that's exactly what transpired here. And again, guys, I can't emphasize enough why I use that 1% confirmation in both directions. So, with that, I will wrap up for today. You are all set. I will see you tomorrow with a big winner. We're going to discuss a big winner. Members of my Rapid Wealth Alliance service at Traders Agency had the opportunity to take a very, very generous reward, very generous profit on a trade, and I want to share it with all of you because I'm very, very excited. I'm very proud of them. They did a fantastic job. So with that, again, have a blessed day. I will see you and talk to you tomorrow morning.